Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. This is our detailed bike check video. As you know, we just bought a giant TCR. Dream bike ko to. Matagal na. Napakatagal na. Palagi kong sinasabi, the giant TCR is the sexiest bike. It's the best performer. It's the best value for money bike. And now I can say I'm an owner. I'm a super proud owner of a giant TCR. Tara, let's do the bike check. Formal name ng bike natin, ang technical name is the Giant TCR Advanced 1 KOM. So this is a basic build. Natural, nung binili ko to, hindi ganyan itsura niyan. It came with basic alloy wheels, mabigat yung handlebar, ano pa ba? Actually, yun lang. Siyempre, mataas din yung steer tube. Pinaputol na lang natin yan. But this was a very basic looking bike. And is this the final look? Baka hindi pa. But I'll point out a few things na pinalitan natin since we bought the bike. Una kong pinalitan, of course, is the handlebar. Ang stock nito is 42 cm. That's a little too wide for me. So bumili ako ng 40 cm. Giant lang, basic. Alloy din, hindi pa ako nag-carbon, hindi pa ako nag-integrated. Hindi ko pa pinalitan talaga ng pang long term because you guessed it. Down the road I plan to go full integrated. Tingnan natin if a good value integrated cockpit comes along na carbon, sige bibili natin. But of course I have my eyes on certain brands na. Alright, pero ito muna, basic cockpit muna tayo, full alloy. My stem is 100 millimeters. When I bought it, akala ko 90 lang pero sinukat ko 100 pala siya, so it's perfect. I'm gonna mention pala na itong bike na to, para siyang bike fitted sa akin. It's just perfect. The seat post height, natural ako na nag-adjust niyan. Pero yung 100 na stem, yung 40 na bar, yung kanyang positive/negative, sakto. Yung height din, I did not fully slam this. Pero perfect siya. Pero you know, baka bawasan ko pa. May dalawang spacer tayo isang malaki at isang mas maliit. Total niya mga 7.5 mm. Baka tanggalin ko yung 5 mm spacer para maging 2.5 tayo. Almost slammed na. So this is 100. Ang pagsukat pala ng length, huwag niyong sukatin from here to here. Sa sentro ninyo. From the bolt to just about here. Sentro dapat. Okay, ganun din sa bar. Sa sentrohin mo, hindi sa outside. Although sa mga product description meron namang outside to outside, diba? But the standard sukat is dito mo susukatin from the middle, here to here. At 40 yan. Yan ang perfect na width for me. We got something new here up front. Nakabit tayo ng ilaw. This is my Garmin mount, no? This is an authentic orig na Garmin mount yan from my Edge 830. Pero nagkabit tayo ng undermount, yung ba tawag doon? We gave it a name. So I took this from one of my other Garmin mounts at kinabit ko dito. Bakit ko ginawa yun? Because that one, yung isa, maikse. And this is long enough to accommodate my computer and the light underneath. Yung ilaw ko is rock bros lang. I had to buy one immediate, no? Na para mabilis lang yung arrival. I'm gonna use this bike kasi for ODAX, and that's in a couple days. So, ayan, 400 lumens. It will do the job. My bar tape is the stock bar tape. So, inalis yan dun sa original. Binalik ulit dito sa bago. I was gonna buy new bar tape pero maganda Ganda So nakatipid pa ako sa bar tape. So gamit ulit. And it's so nice. It's grippy, it's squishy. This will be good for a few months. Look at the saddle. One of my favorite surprise components is the saddle. So Giant Approach ang pangalan niya. When I bought the bike, ang mindset ko is papalitan ko yung mga contact points. Palit tape, palit bar, palit saddle, lalagay tayo ng pedals. But when I saw the saddle, sa itsura pa lang alam ko magiging comfortable siya at mukhang matibay. Tapos sinakyan ko pa. And after a few rides, I said, Tina, I'm gonna keep this. And if you've seen my previous video, yung first ride video ko sa RevPal, I think I declared doon na this is a good saddle and good enough for a full Audax 300. I've ridden the bike for, I don't know, 6 or 7 times na. No. And the saddle is just perfect. Hindi na kailangan palitan. I'd like to bring your attention to my Garmin Varia. Ito yung taillight natin. Sa mga nakakakita na hindi ko madalas makaride, makikita nila for the first time yung Varia ko, bakit daw naka-tape? And ang sagot ko, I taped it up for you who are riding behind me. Malasakit ko sa inyo yan. Because ang Varia matindi, lalo na pag madilim, pag dumidilim na. If you ride early in the morning or may mga night rides ka, sakit sa mata. It's a beam. It's not just a simple glow light. It's a beam. And it can hurt the rider behind you. Naka-lowest setting na yan, naka-peloton mode. Ang peloton mode ng Garmin Varia is, ang concept is peloton friendly, hindi masyadong matapang. Pero kahit na. So, nag-tape tayo para may diffuser ng konti. The frame is medium. At ang kulay niya is called Cold Night. So sa malayo, looks like a black frame, di ba? Pero pag lumapit ka, yan, midnight blue siya. Midnight blue. And if you look closely, pag natatamaan ng araw, medyo galaxy pa yan. Love the finish. Hindi pa pala ako nagba-bike skin. May contact na tayo. No? Hindi ko pala nagagawa. So magba-bike skin tayo. So it's a medium. M, tapos may 1. Yan yung kanyang classification. Kasi may mga 2. The Giant TCR Advanced 1 KOM ang tawag. Siyempre, seat post siya na retractable and adjustable. Kasi yung mga Advanced SL ISP, Integrated Seat Post, siyempre yun ang gusto ko, no? Pero hindi yun ang kukunin natin because pag naka-integrated seat post ka, obligado ka na. Putol yan eh. And I couldn't travel with the bike kung ganun ang mangyayari. Hindi mo mapapasok sa bag. Itong bottle cages, I did mention dati na nung binili ko, dinala ko sa bike shop, pinakabit ko yung mga wheels. I needed bottle cages. Ito yung available at the shop sa Supreme, CATEYE. I got the simplest one, you know, yung magbabagay din sa look. We got a pair, of course, with the intention of pansamantala muna, then papalitan na lang natin pag nagkaroon ng opportunity at makakita ng magandang bottle cage. But you know what? This works. Baka hintayin na lang natin malumat or masira before natin palitan because it does the job. Our group set is Shimano 105 Di2 5034 and 1134 sa likod. Shimano 105 Di2. Ngayon, ganito ang sitwasyon niya na. Ganito ang backstory. Before buying the bike, siyempre alam kong Di2 na nakabit. Stock pala to. Ang intention ko is when I get the bike, diretso palit. I'm gonna ask the store na from 105, dali na natin sa Ulteca kagad. Direct swap. Tapos magdadagdag na lang ako ng money. But they don't do that sa store pala. Kasi hindi sila Shimano dealer. So, okay, medyo malungkot ako. Okay, I'm gonna keep the 105, sabi ko. Gamitin ko for a couple times. Then, tingnan natin. Baka okay na. You might be asking, ba't hindi mo tanggalin at ibenta? Ang hirap magbenta these days. Sa totoo lang, mag-post ka ng kahit anong bike related sa FB Marketplace or anywhere, matutulog talaga. So, I kept the 105. I used it a couple times. Unang ride ko, RevPal. Pangalawang ride ko, Village Ride. Tapos nag-RevPal ulit ako, nagdavelan ako. And you know what? Sabi ko, pwede na. Pwede na. Maganda yung feel. Very responsive. It's not an Ultegra, it's not a Dura Ace. Ibang-iba siya. Mas mababa talaga to. But sa akin so far, it does the job. So I'm gonna keep the 105. Ang upgrade na gagawin ko siguro if ever I make an upgrade, crankset. I'm gonna get a power meter. I'm going on a trip. I'm going to Europe in December, and baka I don't know. Isa sa mga titingnan natin would be an SRM power crankset. Baka THM, baka carbon tie combination, let's see. Pero a brand new crankset na matindi would really elevate the look of the bike and performance as well, kasi weight savings yun, and it's gonna give you the numbers. It's gonna show you your power output. So yan ang balak natin dyan. Let's now go to the wheels. Favorite component sa bike na to. The wheels, of course, Zip 404 Firecrest. Binili ko yan same day as the bike. And 58 millimeters ang depth. Total weight niya, harap likod, 1,500 grams. Magaan yan for an aero wheel set. Difference ng 404 Firecrest sa ibang mga Zip rims is these dimples. Kita nyo para siyang putas-putas. You got these shallow holes, dimples. Yan for that's for the aero capability. Dito na rin lang tayo. Naka Vittoria Rubino Pro 28C basic. It's not an expensive pair, but it does the job. 28C, of course, para may comfort tayo. 1,500 grams, 58 mm. Wheel set talaga nagdadala eh. Look at that. So nice. Pedals ko pala luma. I took this from my steel bike. Basic look. Classic Kyo. Diba tawag dyan? Classic Kyo look pedals. Bago pala ako nag-park dito, nanggaling tayo ng bike shop, pinaputulan ko yung front hose. It's this one. Mahaba-haba siya, gumaganon eh. So, putulan ng konti para hindi siya intrusive. Oh, look at the giant logo pala sa head tube. Yan na yung mga modern logo, 2023 and later. I also like the treatment of the logo. Outline lang ng giant. Hindi siya yung full-bodied giant na logo. Although magaganda rin yun, but lakas lang ng appeal ng outline. Here in the back also, there's a black sticker. I don't know if you see it, no? So ito, this one. That's the RCC Ride Leader logo. Ayan. It's a transfer sticker. It's a perfect placement for sticker that size. And that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm super satisfied. I'm very happy with my Giant TCR. It's my best bike. It's the best bike I've ridden, you know. Parang ang dami ko na nasakyan, no? Pero totoo din. I have several bikes. This is my 7th bike. And kapag may bagong bike ang mga kaibigan natin, sinasakyan din natin. So I know what other bikes feel, right? So I guess I'm qualified to say na I know what I'm talking about when I say this is the best bike I've ridden. And many other people who are also Giant TCR owners will tell you na this is one of the best bikes they've ridden. Galing talaga. Super stable. It's a great climber. It's a long distance bike. Ang daling papugiin. The best part, hindi siya masyadong mahal. Love the bike. That's it. You guys always ride safe. God bless you all. See you next time.